Okay, I got it. It's a video.
Say hi to everybody at home.
Hi. My daddy keeps farting.
He does.
Daddy, stop. Stop it, Daddy.
Peyton, are you laughing?
Daddy makes me laugh.
It's okay to crack a smile, Peyton.
Daddy,
Peyton, start giggling.
stop it.
Peyton, will you stop tooting?
I'm not. You're making me laugh.
This is our entertainment for the day. Peyton, look up at Mommy.
Stop laughing, Daddy. Stop it.
Proud Papa.
Stop it, Daddy.
All right, Peyton, say bye-bye.
Show everyone where we have been living for 6 weeks.
Well, this has only been a week. We've got the deluxe room.
Penthouse.
Yeah, of a hospital. Peyton's chair. We hope to heavens we get home. There's our calendar. We're marking things off. The big frog is hopefully our last day. Peyton, when we go to radiation,
Stop farting, Daddy.
Peyton, when we go to radiation, what do you listen to? Hot Girls, and who sings that?
AG.
Who sings that?
AG.
JD. But who's the group?
AG.
Who's the group?
AG.
No, JD, but who's the group? Who's your favorite group?
The hot girl. The hot girl.
I know. Well, we'll play that today from NXS, right? Say bye-bye.